Conditions like this and the heavy gumbo, that's where this tractor is going to really outperform. It's the nastiest thing you can put a tractor in my opinion. The power of this machine is going to surprise, I believe, everyone that sits in the seat and operates it. No doubt in my mind. This tractor, you can't stop it. This tractor packs one hell of a punch. You can't stop these tracks. I don't care what kind of bind you put it in. They've gone from a 6.8 to a 9-liter engine in a tractor that weighs 4,000 more pounds. This tractor keeps you in a power position all the time. With the hydrostat, you have truly constant power to both tracks. So when you've got 8% more weight, 10% more horsepower, 23% more torque, I know I can move at least 30% more dirt a day, then it's competition. This tractor is more user-friendly than any tractor I know of. The angle seat that's heated and ventilated, ergonomic EH controls, rear view camera, automated temperature controls, and more storage than any tractor I've been in. The visibility is excellent. You can see the corner of your blade in almost every position. The 850L surprised me when we lifted the cab on this and really looking this tractor over. They have streamlined all their electrical, even their hoses. It's a much cleaner, tighter setup. Both your side compartments here, you've got tons of room. The cooling system on this to me looks even better than what they had previously. You know, Deere is now recommending 4,000-hour oil changes. The cost of oil and especially filters, that's a big time savings. It's one of the most profitable, productive machines we own. I've had the privilege and the honor to work with the Deere engineers, the whole team, and what I love about the Deere folks is they listen. I'm very proud of this tractor. I'm very proud of Deere, what they're doing. Folks that have not run Deere, they need to get in one because I don't think there's another tractor in the world that can touch this tractor.